everybody, welcome to the month of May's wine unboxing. I wanted to share this experience with you guys. I haven't opened the box yet, so I don't know what's in there, but I wanted to share the surprise with you also. Let's see what amazing bottles of wine I'm going to be able to have for this month. Not mad at the, ooh, the parables in white. I have not tried this yet. This is actually our Chenin Blanc in Voigner. I need to find out how to pronounce that. This is a parables in white. This is a wine ambassador exclusive. Yes, I got another bottle of the Hudson, the bubbly this month. Oh. We got another bottle of the Gloaming. Thank goodness I was able to get another one of these. Due to the Mother's Day video, I'm pretty sure you know how I feel about this. And then I got the Rickard. I've been hearing people talk about this. This is the Merlot, and this is the Cabernet Sauvignon. So these are my two reds. Got my two reds, my bubbly, and my white. So here it is, guys, the wine unboxing for the month of May. All right, well, that was it. That was an exciting wine unboxing. Oh my goodness, I can't wait. I'm so happy to have another one of these. I might save this one. I don't know what I'm gonna do yet because I wanna hang on to this. This was freaking amazing. So yeah, if you want some information on how to get in on this amazing wine club, just click the link. There's gonna be some show notes down in the description to let you know how you can find out more information about this club. I want everybody to be able to try some amazing fine wines like this. I haven't been disappointed with any of the shipments that I've gotten yet. So thank you very much for joining me for this quick unboxing video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Don't forget, if you haven't seen it yet, go check out my Mother's Day video. I actually poured this the first time that I got it. So go take a look at that. I'll see you guys in the next video.